How's it going, guys? So we're back here working on Tahoe. So today we're going to go ahead and replace the window regulator for the passenger door. Right now it doesn't work. There we go. Let's try this again. Right now it's like it's disconnected or something. Not really sure what's going on there. So we're going to take the panel off, and then we've got regulator if we need it. I'm probably just going to go ahead and replace it anyway, but we'll get that in there and see if we can get this puppy fixed, because it's kind of annoying not having a working window on the passenger side. So yeah, we'll get that off of here and get going. I think the first thing you got to do is like pop this out. Yeah, pop that out, which that didn't. I thought there was a screw back there, but I guess not. Oh, there's one right here, and then is there one in here too? Yeah, well, that's just the handle. So I think maybe it's this in here. Okay, that's it. So there's that one and that one. So this is a 02. I know they changed this up. It was like 03 or 04. I think they changed this up a little bit. So if you go to pull this out and it doesn't want to come out, it's probably screwed in from the back side, and you just need to take it apart differently. But yeah, so we'll get those two out of there, and then I believe you can just pick the door panel up and it comes off. So that's what we're gonna work on. Alright, so the cables are all jacked up in here, so the regulator definitely needs replaced, which is a good sign. So all we gotta do is take the bolts out of the top and bottom of the two brackets, and then the regulator can collapse and come out. I think we also need to support the window at some point, probably before I completely remove the bracket. Might be ideal. So let's try that real quick, see if we can get some tape on here to hold this window up. Should be able to raise the window up, and then we can lock the window clamps in. Alright guys, so today we're working on Tahoe again. Got some new struts for the hatch and for the window. The hatch does fine, but they came as a kit for all four. The window is the one that we're having trouble with. It doesn't like to stay up, so we're just going to go ahead and swap them over and go from there. So just take a flathead, pry up under the clip here. Let's pop that clip off. And save the top. And then grab your replacement strut, and the replacement strut should just pop right on. This should there's that. We'll go ahead and do this guy real quick. One's enough for that, but we're gonna do them both. Nice. Boom. Done. That's it for today. We'll see you guys next time.